it's Melanie from Mel's Inky Fingers, and I'm here to share the May 2025 Creatively Inked kit. Very excited about this month's kit. I think it's just adorable, and it has way more versatility than you may first see when you look at the stamp set. So Creatively Inked is an specially curated DIY paper crafting kit, and it comes with all the consumables so that you can create your projects with what is in your kit. And it comes all packaged up really nicely for you with paper, ribbon, embellishments. There's always a treat or a goodie. There's a giftable. It even includes a card that's already completed for you, so that's exciting. So here's the feature we're going to use this month. It's the Cheers and Sips bundle. It's absolutely adorable. It has these cute little glasses with garnishes and fruits. There's some floral elements, so you're really going to enjoy creating with this month's feature. And as a perk of being a subscriber, you can even save a little bit of money on this bundle if you choose to add it to your kit, or you can use the elements in the designer series paper or something else you already have on hand. So you want a little peek of the projects? So each month in your kit, you're going to receive 6 projects. So one will be completed for you already, but you'll have a tutorial if you wanted to make another one. And then you will have 4 other cards and a little non-card project that's super cute. So here are the projects. Now the insides of the cards are always done up really nicely. Here's a cute fancy fold, but only the subscribers get to see the inside of the card. So here's featuring elements in the designer series paper. You have some techniques with using your designer series paper and making some glass elements on your projects. And then here is the little non-card giftable this month, really cute. So you have until May 20th to subscribe to receive this month's kit, and you have the option to add this bundle on if you would like, and you'll get your kit later in the month. So I hope you give it a try. Thanks.